best results, watch this video on your computer. Another way to process your customer orders. In the past it was necessary to go through the process of the supplier order before you could complete a customer order. This was necessary to ensure that your personal stock levels for a specific product would be sufficient to fulfill your customer order. We have now devised an optional shorter method to process and complete your customer orders. Here is a tip. Always observe your stock levels when ordering a product for a customer by looking at the number in the right column, over here. Mentally think, is this correct? In other words, is this what I have on my shelf? If not, then immediately correct the stock level. This will ensure that your stock levels are always up to date on your system. To change the stock level of a product, simply select the specific product. Note, always ensure that you have the correct product selected by observing the small black pointer in the far left column of your product list. To adjust the stock level of a product, you can now right-click on the selected product. Now select Adjust Stock Level. A small pop-up window will open above the product list. The quantity setting will always be 1. You can now increment or decrement the stock level of the selected product by 1. If you need to add many items to the product, you can change the quantity setting to, let's say, 10. The stock level will now increment or decrement by 10. Let's say we now want to order the selected product for Elizabeth Atkinson. Select Elizabeth Atkinson. Once again, the same principle applies as with the stock. Observe the small black pointer in the far right column, indicating the client which you will be working with. We will now order the selected product for Elizabeth, as indicated by the pointer. Note, we have 4 of these in stock. The stock quantity remains at 4, as physically the item is still on your shelf. What is of importance is that the order immediately goes into the pack status, as indicated by the light green color. We are going to add another item to the order, which is not in stock, as indicated by the 0 in the stock column. The order immediately goes into order mode, as indicated by the yellow color, on both the stock item and the entire order, over here. To complete the order, you need to pack the order, but you cannot pack an item that is not in your stock. Thus once you receive the stock, you can simply right-click on the yellow item in the order and select Add Items to Stock. Immediately the order will return to the pack status, light green. You can now go ahead and pack the order. Not before packing the order, your stock quantities. Once packed and the order moves to deliver status, indicated by light green, the quantities packed are subtracted from your stock. You can now go ahead and click Deliver when you are ready to deliver the pack to the client.